Today we come to our customer factory to see our digital intelligent production line. Let's start with the frame production line first. This is a 4-in-1 decoder, and each decoder have a separate motor to control. This one is a leveling machine, and this is our laser cutting head. We use the laser cutting to cut the hose, so the hose position, the hose number, and the type all is flexible. This machine can produce a small one or a large one, both are okay, unlike the cold bedding machine. After the first one finished, the other one will continue process. During this period, there is no waste. We use hydraulic bending to bend the flange. In this type, the flange is very flat and straight, and there are no scratches. You can see our flange height is also can adjustable from 20 mm to 80 mm. This is a rotating table to make the plate flip. And the last one is a folding table. You can see now the machine produces L shape, and also our machine can produce one piece L shape or a square shape. Both is okay.